Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. This is Janice, and this channel is about beauty and lifestyle. Mainly I do beauty box unboxings, beauty tips, beauty hauls, shopping hauls, beauty tips for your pets, and whatever else I can think of. It's just a fun channel, so I hope you decide to join me. If you do, please subscribe right down there. Smash that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is. Also, please comment at the end if you like this video and like it, and also share this video. Okay, this video is going to be about my beauty subscription box of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you're interested what I got in my Ipsy August 2019 Glam Bag Plus, please stay tuned. Okay, I got my handy dandy box cutter here, and go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened this one up yet. I just got it today. I always seem to get my boxes later than some of you. I get it usually in the third week of the month. Today is, what is today? The 14th. That's not too bad. That's the middle of the month. I'm just so anxious because when I watch other YouTube channels about unboxings, they're unboxing the beginning of the month. I go, oh man, and I just get anxious. Okay, for those who don't know, this particular beauty subscription is $25 a month. We get on the average of 5 full-size products every month. Also, they do charge you the state sales tax, but it's still a really good deal. And I really am enjoying Ipsy Glam Bag Plus lately. They're really stepping it up. They're giving BoxyCharm a run for their money, that's for sure. But I love the color of the box. I mean, you know, pink is my favorite color. Pink. I'm just a pink girl. Alrighty, and you open up. This is Glam Bag Plus, of course. There's no bag in here, but they just call it that. Their other one is just a $10 beauty subscription, and that is a sample bag, with a cosmetic bag, and I also get that. But this is about this one. Also, they always have this inside the box. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, and that is really nice. We all can't be pretty to everyone's standards. We're just pretty through and through. I think that they put, wow, I just opened it. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Oh, I love the yellow foam. I heard someone say, hey, this is great to keep for cleaning off your brushes. That's a great idea. I'm going to do that because I hate throwing these away. I'm going to pull out this. This is Perlice, and it is Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. And it has an SPF of 30 sunscreen in it. So that's really nice. I do have this already. So it's going to go into a future giveaway. I got another box a few months ago. So they didn't repeat. I get a few beauty box subscriptions, so you know. So I'm not going to open it. But this is a moisturizer, and it's very, very nice. So, in it goes. Put it aside. Okay, what is this? Oh, it says, Sundays. I'm not quite sure what it is. All right, let's open this. Oh, this is pretty. It's nail polish. I don't get a whole lot of nail polish in these boxes, but I enjoy it when I do. Okay, they're bare. I got some clear on there, and that's about it. I should have polished them before I filmed this video. I just totally slipped my mind. But I can at least try it on for you. It looks like it's a real pale green. I love green. See here? Yeah. I can't see if you can see, so I gotta see because I'm putting it on. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, it's rather sheer the first coat. I usually put 2 or 3 coats on anyways. Let's let that dry and I'll put another coat later on. It smells like nail polish. I don't know what I expected. Alright, that's 2 products. The next product is, let's see, 1, 2. I got some extra add-ons, so I want to make sure I grab the right ones that they gave me in my box and not my add-ons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, these 2 I got an add-on. Okay, I'll show that in a minute. The next thing is a packet of brushes, and they're fair brushes. This is Beautiful BU. They're really pretty. Really pretty. I have a package of fair brushes. I got them, oh, I think I got them in the Boxy Charm, if I'm not mistaken. And I haven't opened it yet. I haven't used them. So I got a collection of brushes. Oh wow, these are really pretty. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. They're like a clear plastic, like an ombre look. Blue to greenish yellow. And let's see how they, oh, they feel really nice and soft. Yeah. Okay, this looks like a blender brush here. It's kind of fluffy. And this looks like a packing brush. Probably use that one for cream shadows. This looks like a packing brush also. This is a nice pencil brush for underneath. And this looks like an eyebrow brush. Okay, last but not least is Bye Bye Foundation by IT. It's SPF 50. I have used their CC cream for a few years, but I've yet to try this particular product from them. So I'm really excited to get this. I love getting foundation. And they got in the right color, because they do ask you in the beauty survey what color. And I said, I'm light, and they got it. I'm excited to use this. And it's a pump. And I will. Okay, Scott. It's a tube, so I guess I gotta prime it here. Oh, there it goes. Impatient. Oops, I put 2 squirts by accident. That's a little too much, but oh my god, my whole hand's gonna be covered in foundation. I didn't need that much, but there's the color. And it does have a smell, SPF. I love that smell. Okay, we're up and rolling again. I keep getting interrupted during this video. Well, I did the swatch on my hand, and I did take it off because I had way too much on there. But I am really excited about this. I will let you know probably my favorites. I haven't done one of those this last month. I'll probably do one maybe the end of this month. And I'll let you know if this is just as nice as the CC cream, because I do love their CC cream. This is foundation. And if I forgot to mention, it's 50 SPF. Pearl. My dog just came down, my standard poodle. Hey, what are you doing over there? Here she is. Hi. Want to say hi to everybody? Let me say hi. Let me see if I can get you to say. Oh boy, I can't. We will try to say hi. Say hi. There she is. Okay. Yeah, I love her. She's so sweet. Okay. I know they usually put a sheet in there because everyone else got it, but I don't have it, so I can't tell you how much everything's valued at. But I tell you what, I know it's a good value because these items in here, I think I remember someone saying that was $50 for these brushes. Maybe the Pearlie's around $40. I'm just guessing now, okay? I am not sure about the nail. Oh, this nail polish, I know it's up there a bit. Anywhere between $10 to $18. I'm not sure. Maybe not that much. But anyways. And then I have no idea what the foundation was. Okay, I'm gonna put one more coat of nail polish on my thumb. Okay. Alright, it's getting better. It's 2 coats. I love this color. You know, I had this color once before and I accidentally left the cap off and it dried out. I was so bummed. So now I got it again. And that's good. But if you want another coat to make it more opaque is my Michigan accent. I'm sorry. But anyway, you can always put 3. Alright. That is what I got. I got the nail polish. I just showed you that. The foundation. The brushes. The moisturizer. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 5. Yeah. No, wait a minute. No, it's not. Oh, I am missing a 5th one. I didn't order this. They gave this to me as part of my box. I was expecting something bigger because I seen my sneak peek. It is an eyeshadow palette by Tarte. It's called Dream Big. And it's double duty beauty, they say. Okay, now I gotta get this open with a wet nail. Oh, I just smudged it, see? Oh well, I'll fix it later. Let's see here. Got it open. Where does it open, Janice? I always talk to myself in 3rd person. I don't know why. Silly like that. Oh, got it. I do love Tarte. And I do think their packagings are really cute. So there is the outside. And let's see what the inside looks like. A little plastic thing in there. It's really pretty. It's got a mirror. It's quite a neutral palette, but they do have some purple in there, some pink here. Okay, and I love the smell of their eyeshadows. It smells like candy. I'm not going to swatch this because I have quite a few palettes going. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one because I don't want this to go to waste. I love it, but I may give it away. So I'm just going to put it away for a future date. Okay, now let's start over. We got the eyeshadow palette, the nail polish, the foundation, moisturizer, and brushes. what I'll do is put in the little credits here how much this was worth, because I'm going to look it up online when I get finished with this video. Okay, here's what I ordered for an add-on. I didn't really go crazy. I didn't buy that much. I just seen this and I thought, I'm going to try that. Okay, this was an add-on. It's Pixie by Petra. Pixie by Petra. Pixie by Petra. Why can't I say that? Oh my gosh. I know they sell this brand at Target. That's the only place I know you can get it. I think this is a blush. I'm pretty darn sure. Yeah, it is. I remember. It's a blush. They had 2 different colors, and I ordered the pink. Okay. And of course, it's really, really wrapped, so I have to figure out how to open it. I already smudged up my thumb, so. Oh boy. Let's try this. I mean, it's good that they safety seal it, but it makes hard for me to open it. Yeah. Really, Pearl? Calm down. Static cling. Got it. And there is the color. Go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. Put it on my hand. Yeah, that's nice. It's just perfect pink shade. It's real nice. It's what I like. So that was only $3 on the add-on, so that's a good deal. I'm not quite sure what it is retail, but $3 is nice. I'm in the basement and these dogs are running up and down these stairs. This is not very professional, is it? I apologize. They are just full of it today. Okay, that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. Do you get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? If so, did you get the same things or similar things? Please comment below and let me know. And if you don't get this box, why not? It's a good deal. $25 for what I just showed you. So you know it's well worth it. I will put a referral link down there, okay? It's not sponsored. It's not an affiliate link, nothing like that. I'm totally not big enough to have all that stuff yet. No, this is just a referral to help you out, okay? So you can go ahead and try this box. Okay, again, I'm going to remind you to please subscribe. Please smash that bell for future notifications to let you know when my next video is up. I'm going to do another one after this, so that will be coming up soon, so you get to be notified when that's up. Also, like I said, comment and share. I appreciate that. Thank you, and you all have a beautiful day. Bye.